Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your party's park tickets are linked in the Disneyland app and buying Genie Plus or an individual Lightning Pass immediately. Once bought, open the tip board and refresh. You must be ready to tap the next available return time. Make sure your phone has good battery and mobile data. Set app notifications so you don't miss a window, and position everyone who needs hold on the mobile plans to avoid delays. Now you actively reserve Lightning lanes. Scan the tip board and select the earliest practical window that suits your schedule. You should prioritize high-demand attractions first because they fill quickly. After reserving one, check for the next. The app allows one active return at a time unless stacking is permitted, so plan returns around breaks or show times. Make adjustments as times change, and use mobile food orders between windows to maximize park time without wasting a Lightning lane slot. To finish, arrive at the Lightning lane within the posted window and scan the QR code from your app. You should be ready to go. If plans change, modify or cancel the slot in the app and immediately rebook another available time. This keeps your flow efficient. If a pass fails to scan or times don't match, politely present the confirmation and speak to a cast member. They will usually resolve timing or entry errors quickly so you can continue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.